And here we go, guys. The free credits are here in my Foundation Galactic Frontier game. Yo guys, 900k free credits in the Foundation Galactic Frontier game. This is not any hack or cheat, guys. This is possible now thanks to our sponsors who offered us a method to get them for free. So alright, I'm gonna make sure my power saving mode is turned off. Here I'm gonna enable and disable it again just to be sure about that. So this is the situation now. I'm gonna tap on my profile icon, guys, and copy this user ID here because we're gonna use it later. Firstly, I'm opening my browser and go to ontui.com, make sure it's the .com one, then I search for the Foundation game to find it easier and tap on start. Here, I'm entering my user ID, let me copy it here, then I select Android, and of course I'm gonna go with the max amount of credits. As I've already told you guys, these credits are given by our sponsors and they require you to do an additional step in order to receive them, but don't worry about it. This step is super easy and it will only take you a few minutes of your time. Now let's go back to our game and see what happened. And here we go, guys. The free credits are here in my Foundation Galactic Frontier game. I'll put my finger above so you can see this is for real. Hope you guys also enjoyed this method, and please don't forget to smash that like button and even hit the subscribe one too if you wish. Have a nice day.